Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Helena's Infinite Shades of Life. Today is going to be a little bit different because I'm planning to do an almost unboxing of my new sewing machine, a Singer 2282. It's not the fanciest or most expensive one out there, but I am so glad to have it. I got it as a Christmas present from my mother and my husband last year, and I haven't even used it yet. All I did so far was actually take it out of the box. I have to be quite honest, I'm not very good when it comes to sewing machines. I don't really know how they work, and I don't really work much with them. Yes, I have used one before, but this is pretty new to me. However, I hope that things will change because I decided to do more sewing by machine to make things a little bit faster for me, since I have planned so many different designs and it would take way too long to sew everything by hand. And since this machine is pretty much as new at sewing as I am, I hope that we can grow together and create beautiful pieces. Let's get started. As I mentioned before, this machine has been completely untouched so far. So let's take a look. The machine comes with 32 different stitches and a buttonhole stitch. The manual also comes with instructions on how to use specific stitches, how to use the buttonhole stitch, how to change the foot, and information on specific fabrics that need different needles. Alright, so let's plug it in and see if it works. And it turned on. Let's see what sounds this makes. It works beautifully. I expected it to be a lot louder. Maybe that's because the last machine that I had was so old and so loud that this comes rather as a surprise now. Let's do this one more time just for fun. Alright, so let's get some thread and put this baby to work, shall we? And now it's taking up the bobbin. There, I think that's enough for our purposes today. And here we have the finished bobbin, all wound up. we've got our bobbin thread all set. The bobbin thread up by simply going down . And then we have both threads here in the back. And now we're ready for sewing. Probably not one of my prettiest creations, but the machine works. This is going to be the fabric that I'm going to be using in my next video. So we'll just take an edge of this and give it a nice little zigzag. Okay, we wanted a zigzag, but I think that I got the wrong setting. However, this came out really nicely. I still have a lot to learn. I'm going to practice trying out all these different stitches, seeing how they're working and how they're supposed to work and the different sizes. And then you will see me using this machine in pretty much all of my dressmaking videos that are coming up. Yes, there will be still a lot of stitching by hand, especially when attaching lace, but this sewing machine is definitely gonna be a huge asset to my upcoming projects. And that's it for my almost unboxing today. I hope you had fun watching. I definitely enjoyed myself, and I can't wait to use this machine for my next project. See you next time. Bye bye!